Here's how you can make arrows in Crimson Desert. Now over in Hernan Town, right over here on my map, I'm pretty close by to the smithy right here. Now if I go over to the smithy, right over here inside, and try to interact with him and press R to open up the smithy shop,
The master of the anvil
over in the
stands
crafting,
before you.
you should be able to craft some arrows from him. This requires at least 5 pieces of timber and 1 piece of iron ore. Upon first meeting Trunali right here in front of me, he should give you a quest about how to get wood. Now thankfully, we do have a video about how to get wood in Crimson Desert, so you might want to check it out. For iron ore, you have to take on the quest from Rhett, wherein he will give you a pickaxe and tell you where you can find iron ore to bring to him. We also have a video of that in the channel, so you might also want to check it out. Now all you really need to do is pick arrow right here, and then use the materials, and then press R to make them. And it will ask you how much you want, but since I only have materials to make only one batch, I'm just gonna press confirm. And there you go, you got 30 pieces of arrow for you. And that's pretty much it about how to make arrows in Crimson Desert.